Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran. Inna Allah astafa Adam wa Nuhan wa ala Ibrahim wa ala Imran ala al-alamin. Translation: Indeed, Allah had chosen Adam and Nuh, the family of Ibrahim and family of Imran, over all other people of the world. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made it clear that only claiming Allah's love with one's tongue is not enough, but one must have to believe in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and obey the commandments of Allah and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning some of the families and some of the people that really loved Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they also taught the same thing. It is important to remember that in the history of Islam, there are two personalities with the name of Imran. First one is the father of Musa alayhi salam, and the second one is the father of Hazrat Maryam. Many scholars have said that here the father of Hazrat Maryam is mentioned, and some say that the name of this surah is Surah Al-E-Imran because of that. Wallahu a'lam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creations include the land, the skies, the sun, the moon, the stars, the angels, jinns, the plants and the stones, everything. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, with His absolute wisdom and with His perfect knowledge, gave humans the body and the soul, the combination of which is not given to any other creation. And that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the angels to prostrate for Adam alayhi salam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave this high status to humans, and Allah gave this status to Adam alayhi salam and made him a prophet, and also He made prophets from his progeny, from his children, like Nuh alayhi salam. And then all the prophets came from the progeny of Nuh alayhi salam till the time of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. It is also important to notice that the prophets came from the progeny of Adam alayhi salam and progeny of Nuh alayhi salam, as there were no other progenies or no other families. But at the time of Ibrahim alayhi salam, there were many families that were living in the face of the earth. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had chosen Ibrahim alayhi salam, and after him all the prophets came from his progeny. However, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned the Ali-Imran or the family of Imran separately, because Jesus or Isa alayhi salam came without a father. So Isa alayhi salam is mentioned as the son of Maryam as an exception, because all the children are mentioned by their name of their fathers. Those who believe in the theory of evolution have some evidence here in this ayah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used Adam as a chosen one. So he may be chosen from the creation as the result of evolution. However, there are other ayahs that indicate that Adam alayhi salam was created as a special creation, and this discussion will always be like a discussion of knowledge. It will not change our fundamental beliefs of Islam. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said, Zurriyatam ba'duha min ba'd wallahu sami'un alim. Translation: They were descendants of one another, and Allah is hearing and knowing all. So these prophets and progeny are the descendants of one another. And this is not random happening. This is because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's absolute wisdom and absolute knowledge. And He is hearing and knowing everything. So He chose the prophets and the families that were best suited for the purpose. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and give us wisdom and knowledge. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.